Hey y'all, it's me Marty and welcome back to Glam with Marty, where I'm here to make America glam again. So I have an October Boxycharm by Ipsy box. I did take September off. I didn't get a box for September. And I have to tell y'all, I didn't really miss it. So I think that's a really cool feature that when you are a Ipster or a Charmer, whichever one you have, you can take a month off, or you can do like get a month, skip a month, blah 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 blah. It's just a lot easier because like for me, I have so many products right now that I couldn't, like I said, I just didn't miss it. And the overconsumption, I'm trying to chill out with that. But enough about my soap stand moment. Today I have the Ipsy Boxycharm by Ipsy. I'm gonna keep saying it, I'm so sorry. October box, which I think is something like Glamoween, which y'all can see. I finally have fall decorations. I've never had fall decorations in here before. My mom was like, it's time, baby. You put your glam tree up for Christmas, but you don't do anything for the fall. So y'all see I have a little black and white pumpkin here. Then I have the gold sequin pumpkin there, and there's another one on the other side of the tray. So anyway, today I'm going to be reviewing. Let me actually read y'all the little card. Yep, that's what I thought. Boxycharm Glamoween, enter our ultimate Halloween beautyverse if you dare. We brewed up 100 plus makeup tutorials and hair raising inspirations to help you conquer Halloween like a pro. Check them out at Ipsy on TikTok all spooky season. So this is what it looks like. These are one of these are my picks. So if you want to see what I think about this box, you can just keep on watching. Thanks. Alright y'all, so just like every other month, we're going to start with the tiers. Reminder, you have the bottom tier is the glam bag. The glam bag, which is the old school Ipsy glam bag. I actually have them right there. Let me show it to y'all. If I don't stop dropping this doggone remote. Okay, now as I said, this one is really old, but it was from when I was an Ipster way back in the day. This is what the glam bags look like, and they have 5 deluxe samples. And I believe you get to choose 2 maybe? Let me get the thing, hold on. Oh my gosh, I have to show y'all too. Look, for my migraines, I got the migraine piercing. I got my day pierced. Yeah, I did like it before yesterday, and it actually did not hurt that much. I spent a whole week in bed with a migraine last week, and I didn't start to feel better until Saturday morning. Yeah, and then we went Saturday night after a party to go get it pierced. Hey, Bubba. Excuse me one second, y'all. You want Mom to move this? I don't know if y'all can hear the landscapers outside making all kind of noise. I apologize if y'all can hear it, but I can't do anything about it. But anyway, so yeah, and also it finally feels like fall here in Louisiana, so get ready because my Instagram page is gonna be flooded with fall outfits. The only thing I like about fall and winter is the clothes. So anyway, the glam bag in my Ipsy app. I can't show you on my phone because I have my it's charging again. It's always, there's a running joke amongst my friends that my phone is always dying and I'm always losing it. Both can be true. The memberships. All right, so let's go. So you have the glam bag, which is the little one I just showed you. You can get 5 deluxe samples every month for $13. So that is the glam bag. This one, my lovely Boxycharm, it's about 30 bucks and you get 5 full-size products. 2 of them are power picks that the Ipsy team picks for you, and then 3 of them are picks that you get to choose for yourself. So I'll go over that. I'll make sure I specify to y'all which one is the ones that I chose and the ones I didn't, that they picked for me. So let me turn this off maybe. I feel like I'm getting flushed out. Oh yeah, y'all can see me just fine like this. So let's get into what I got. Well, first and foremost, like I always do, today what I didn't get to try out, y'all should see my Louie. He is so precious. Lulu, do you want to come sit over here, babe? He's been sitting here like such a good boy. I had a lot of work today in this office, and I still have more stuff to do when I get back home, but stuff I will not be reviewing today, or could not review today. Both skincare items, I believe. Yep. 2 skincare items I will not be able to review today. The Tula Skincare Shawn Johnson East collaboration, so pumpkin exfoliating sugar scrub. Definitely a very smart move for an October box. So this is from Tula, which if y'all are not familiar, Tula is like a really well-known skincare brand. I've had a couple things from them. I've had their face wash, and I've also had, I think, an exfoliating scrub or something from them that I like. So the Tula exfoliating sugar scrub, I would love to get to use this in October, but I just don't know if I will or not because of the fact that I have so much stuff backed up to use. This retails for $34. It says soft and smooth skin is on the menu with this gentle scrub. Made with a pumpkin spice twist, this formula buffs your skin and melts away excess oil, buildup, and debris. Y'all, this highlighter is really highlighting, huh? And everything I'm wearing on my face is going to be listed down below, along with my socials and all that stuff. This formula buffs your skin and melts away excess oil, buildup, and debris. The addition of probiotic extracts with superfoods boosts your skin softness, while enzymes help unclog pores to leave you feeling fresh and radiant. So I'm assuming, since they kept mentioning pumpkin, I'm assuming it smells like the Peter Thomas Roth pumpkin resurfacing mask, I think is what it was called. Oh, the packaging is beautiful. But I didn't get to review this today, but I just want to kind of see the packaging real quick. Oh, also down below, everything that I'm showing you guys is going to be linked as well. So if you want to check it out and not get a Boxycharm subscription, you can check that out there. So it says probiotic and superfoods. I love the gold trim, like the foil embossing on it. Really, really nice. So that's that. Also love the inside. So keep your eyes on my TikTok, which is going to be linked down below in case y'all want to see me try this out. I'm sure it'll be a self-care Sunday. This one for sure will be my mask of the month for November. So just get ready for that. They could have named this the Glam with Marty face mask. This is the Volition Beauty Chocolate Macadamia Hydrating Mask. I mean, y'all know how I am with sweet scents. Insane. So this is from Volition Beauty. I actually have a scrub from them that I use every Sunday as my like weekly scrub. It is so good. It's the turmeric scrub. Now I will say Volition is a little bit pricey, but if this is anything like the scrub, it's totally worth it because I love that skin scrub. It is so good. Yeah, beautiful hydrating mask. So about to be really, really good, since we have, like I said earlier, y'all, it's fall came in, baby, over here in Louisiana. I was quite surprised. Yesterday I got to ride with the top down. It's been so long because it's always so freaking hot, but it did it. I got to do it this time. So real quick, I want to get y'all price point on this one. It's still saying my shipment is on the way. This thing been here for like 4 days. I was so sick I couldn't really use it or check it out or anything when it actually was in. And this was, oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to tell y'all, the Tula was a power pick, so they picked that for me. This one I chose for myself. Duh, I know y'all are surprised. And this retails for $45. We exist to make the best clean beauty with you and for you. So yeah, it says something. Somebody signed it. I don't know who that is, but somebody. It says, what if a recipe developer cooked up a scrumptious face mask for the ultimate skin hydration? Performance deeply nourishes and hydrates, smooths the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, improves the look of firmness, controls excess oil, calms, and soothes redness. Yeah, I'm excited about that one. So that's the second thing that I'm not going to be using, and I believe that's it. Everything else I was able to try out. So those are 2 skincare products. Everything else I got was makeup, and I did get to use all of them today, including this beautiful, beautiful eye makeup. So let's go ahead and get right into that. I'm going to save the eyeshadow palette for last because it's big and it's going to take a while, and I want to do the swatches there and all that. So first thing I have is a eyeshadow primer from F.A.R.A.H. So this is the little outside box. Oh, I feel like a YouTuber and I have to do the thing to make sure you can see it. Yeah. Gold inlay, absolutely beautiful. Love the packaging. Again, y'all can see the sparkle bar behind me. I like shiny things and I like things that sparkle. This is what it looks like on the inside. First of all, I live for the red crown on top of the gold cap. This is what it looks like. That's what the bottle actually looks like. They gave a True and Luscious primer a while back. I just want to do a size comparison real quick. Hold on. They look the same size. Let's see if they're the same amount of 0.35 ounces. Yep, 0.33 ounces. So this one's actually a little tiny bit smaller, but yeah, so I saw this was one that I got to pick. The other options they had were okay, but I just was like, I'm just gonna get another primer because I'm always on the hunt for the next nice eyeshadow primer. And then I find sometimes certain primers work with certain palettes or certain textures of eyeshadow. So today I did use this to create this look. I will tell y'all something I really like about this. It's super smooth. Like when well, I'll throw y'all to me trying it on, but I put it on my eyes. It has this little applicator here, which y'all know I love because I like to be able to just put it straight on my eye. So I put it on my eye and then I patted it out. F.A.R.A.H makes some really good stuff, especially their brushes. I have a couple of F.A.R.A.H brushes in my greatest hits cup that I use all the time. Yeah, I really like this. I definitely like this. So this, oh, $18. Okay, so this retails for $18. It says your eyeshadow won't know what hit them with this vegan cruelty-free primer, especially designed to make shadows pop on your skin, ensuring vibrant and long-lasting color payoff. It also helps create a flawless canvas so you're free to have fun without worrying about creasing or fading. It says apply a thin coat all over your eyelids with your fingers before applying eyeshadow, and that's what I did. So just so y'all could kind of see what it looks like. I don't know if it's still keeping my eyeshadow super fresh. I did it a couple hours ago. It still looks good. I don't know if it's super duper fresh like it was when I first did it, but this one I would give it, let's say 3 out of 5 diamonds, only because to me my eyeshadow doesn't look as pretty as it did earlier today. Like y'all will see when I go over that palette with y'all, it definitely is not as shiny as it was, as glittery and sparkly and pretty as it was earlier today. So didn't really make that it didn't really elongate it, but I like it. It's a cute eye primer. It's just a cute eye primer. So okay, so this is one I picked because y'all know I have my palette shelf right here. I love some Huda Beauty products. I just do. Their products are really, really good. So when I saw this, the Huda Beauty Automatic Lip Pencil Lip Contour 2.0 in the shade Pinky Brown. Pinky Brown, that's a straight up me highlight lip liner. So I did use this today. I used it today. Why is it still stuck in the box? I love the packaging. Of course, I love Huda's packaging though. It's always really simple, styled really nicely, you know what I mean? So this is what the pencil looks like itself. I thought it was weird that they did the stick in the color and then the bottom is black. But if you look at the bottom closely, and again, I'll throw y'all to me trying it out. If you look at the bottom closely, y'all will see there's a little tiny line because this is how you don't sharpen it, you just move it up like this. It has a little twisty on the bottom to move it up. I'm actually going to reapply a little bit because I think that faded a little bit. Yeah, it's a lip contour pencil, so if you wanted to make your lips look powderier, you could definitely do that with this. I think it's a gorgeous shade. It is so creamy, you could definitely use it to fill in your lip entirely. I'm going to throw it out to me trying it out while I get y'all price point on it. Huda Beauty, y'all know it's not going to be cheap though. It's probably going to be around 20 bucks. Big money, no whammy. Let's see. And the thing with this box in particular, y'all, I really like that everything is like kind of staples that I know I'm going to, I mean, this lip liner, I'm gonna wear that thing out. Y'all know me well enough to know that. Yeah, $21. So $21 for this one. I definitely give it 5 out of 5 diamonds because I really like the idea of being able to twist it up at the bottom. Because y'all know the old ones that are the electric ones, I mean, not electric, automatic where you have to twist it. It just, I don't know, I like this one better. That's all I can say is I like. And this is Lip Contour 2.0 in the shade Pinky Brown, and I really, really like it. Let me actually swatch it for you guys while I have y'all here. Pinky Brown. That's exactly what it's called. So yeah, I like it. I'm carrying it with me all day today. It's gonna be in my purse. I really like it. And last but certainly not least, I think this is probably my favorite product of the month. This is the, y'all, and this was a power pick, by the way, for me. I would have selected it myself, but it was a power pick. Beautiful, lovely, iconic London Booming and Gleaming eyeshadow palette. I've never had an eyeshadow palette from Iconic London. I only actually have one other product from them, and it's my cream contour palette, which I love. Their packaging is just, I mean, come on, really, this is so beautiful. It is cardboard, which I do have beef with because I find the prices a little bit high for cardboard. As a matter of fact, let me get y'all the price point real quick. Oh, also y'all, if you didn't see my video, the last makeup video I posted, which was the Cella eyeshadow palette, I'll put a card for it up there. I did say that it was not in the drop shop because at the time it wasn't, and just like I said in the video, that if they had it, if they sent it to me, they were going to either have it or had already had it. They did put it in the drop shop, like literally the day I posted that video, it went live in the drop shop. And yeah, my mom ordered her own, and I just wanted to make sure I mentioned that to y'all. So if you are a Boxycharm subscriber, you have to be a subscriber to get into the drop shop. But yeah, it was on sale over there for $5 freaking. So anyway, the Booming Gleaming eyeshadow palette, yeah, $62. See, that's kind of steep for this packaging, but let's talk about the shades. I actually want to touch up my glitter too because I find you can't see it anymore. But yeah, so it says create endless iconic looks with these 20 gorgeous easy to wear shades with a selection of velvety matte and high pigmented shimmers. You can dial up your eyes in an instant. So this is the outer unicorn. This is the inside of it. Y'all know how I feel about when they match exactly. I cannot stand that, but it doesn't really, it's what's on the inside that counts. So let's see what's on the inside. First, I want to show y'all how beautiful the packaging is when you first open it. Instead of them having the regular old plastic thing, they have this like kind of tissue paper, and these are the pans. Y'all, the shimmers are shimmering. Today I use Paycheck in my brow bone. I use Chic to Chic. I use Jet Setter. I use Vibing. Yeah, I used a lot of them actually. Now that I'm looking at Java, Boss Babe, Coat Chalk, and Biscotti. And Real One. I used all those shades today on this eye look, and I love it. It came out really good. I'm gonna actually reapply Jet Setter a little bit because I find it's coming off. That way I can show y'all a quick live action swatch-a-do. Yeah. And then I'm gonna throw y'all to the swatches as well in a second. Yeah, look at that. Oh, so freaking pretty. So I'm gonna throw y'all to the swatches while I tell you what I think about this. I know y'all are gonna be like, I love it, I love it. There has not been an eyeshadow palette. Oh, I take that back. I always say that. I forget about that Hideous Planet palette that I gave away. But for the most part, some of my favorite eyeshadow palettes I've gotten in the last 2 years came from Boxycharm, and this one is no exception. It is so beautiful. I love the black background because it makes that gold pop, and y'all know how I am. Black and gold, you got my heart. If you can make something black and gold, we're good. It's gonna work out just fine for me. So I absolutely love this palette. I love the packaging, love the big mirror. I think it's a little expensive at over $60, but if you got it in Boxycharm, like I did, you could get this over $60 palette for less than $30 with all the rest of these things too. So, I mean, if you guys want to join Boxycharm, I will put my link down below. Not an affiliate link or anything, just a referral link, not affiliate. So I don't get paid for it, just to kind of show y'all where to go. So this is the eyeshadow palette. This is it on my eyes. I love it. Really, really good. I'm going to give this one, I'm going to give it 4 out of 5 diamonds. I was going to say 5 out of 5, but I just don't appreciate the packaging for $64. And I'm not saying that the eyeshadows aren't good, because they are really good, but let me show y'all this real quick. For almost the same price, this one is $65. You could get the Anastasia Narvina Pro Pigment palette, and I mean the packaging was really innovative. It has this really good snap close on the side. It has plastic, big mirror, all that stuff. So I just don't see why for $3 more I could get this, but I get this cardboard. I had an issue with that because, like I said, that seems a little bit expensive to me. So yeah, y'all, that's everything from my Boxycharm base box. Let me say a few things about it though to wrap up my final thoughts on it. I really like the box. I think there are a lot of fall-based things in here, because my complaint last year was that the October box was nothing fall or nothing Halloween. It was like a dewy skin setting spray. It was just the dumbest thing, where I was like, do they know it's October and not like freaking July? Like, why would they put that in there? This time, between this has some beautiful fall shades that you could use. Matter of fact, a lot of it is fall shades that you could use to make a pretty fall look, like I did today. I love the idea of them having the pumpkin scrub, because it doesn't have to be just a fall look. It could also be a fall vibe, and I think that pumpkin scrub is going to make me feel like fall. And I'm going to be like I said before, I'm going to be using that as soon as I run out of the Volition scrub I do have. I'm going to switch to that one because I really am excited to try it out. So I love that they did that, because again, it's kind of an out of the box pumpkin situation, but I really like that. So I'm excited about the So Pumpkin exfoliating cream. So the box as a whole, I would give the box 4 out of 5 diamonds. I was gonna say 3, but 4 out of 5 diamonds, and I took one away because I just some of the stuff in here I like, but it's not like a necessity. Like, it didn't blow my mind. I will say the price point blows my mind this time, because the prices are so expensive on some of these products. To say you got it for this price and then you save this much money. So anyway, y'all, that's everything today, guys. I have everything is going to be listed down below. Everything I'm wearing on my face, everything that I have in this box, I'm going to link every single thing I tried out today from the Boxycharm October box. I am also, we have a what is it called? We have a drop shop haul coming soon, so I'll be posting that soon. I'll let y'all know when that's coming. Other than that, y'all, all of my socials also are going to be down below. 500 subscribers, I will be giving away a brand new in the box, in the bottle, fresh, never opened Dossier perfume in floral marshmallow. Yeah, in floral marshmallow, which is their version of Killian's Love Don't Be Shy. So yeah, so other than that, you guys, if y'all could kind of talk amongst yourselves real quick. Hi Rowan, thank you so much for watching Nini's video, baby. I'm so glad you love when Nini's on YouTube. I miss you so much. I love you, and I cannot wait to see you. And the rest of y'all, I will be here next time you want to get glam, if you come on over and get glam with Marty. See y'all next time.